Hello you lovely people, how are you all doing this beautiful day? I am Ishna and I welcome you back to my channel. Today it's going to be a different video, a lipstick swatch and a review and a quite small update. This will be a small video, I'm sure. So yeah, from the title you're already aware I'll be talking about My Glam lipsticks, and I have two lipsticks to talk about specifically due to an offer and all that. So if you are interested in lipstick swatches, then stay tuned. It will be a short video, so I hope you stay tuned till the end. But before we get started, please spare a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you are notified for all my future uploads. Now, let's get started, shall we? So, this is the box that I have received from My Glam. Let me give you a background for this video and also why this sudden two lipstick swatch video. So My Glam was running a survey. I think the survey is still on. They ask you a couple of questions about your preferences and what do you think and all that. So based on after answering all those questions, you get a lipstick free. So a lot of my friends have done it and they have got their free lipstick as well. All they did extra was to pay shipping. Now, I don't like paying shipping in any case and I like lipsticks. So what I did, I increased the cart value by adding a lipstick more, and that too, on that lipstick also I got discount. So one lipstick is free and another one is discounted, and here is the story behind this box. I like the My Glam box. It comes in this black when you order it directly from the website and not through any other shopping portals online. And this is a very basic thing. It's rattling inside because there is only two lipsticks. So if you ever watch this video, My Glam, please reduce the size of your boxes if you are sending only one or two pieces. And by the way, they sent me two lipsticks on 2 days, and so each day such a box was delivered to me, which is not required. It is unnecessary usage of cardboard boxes that can be totally ignored and avoided. So let's get into these two. I'll quickly do a demo and swatch it as well so that you know what I have got. But before that, I'll just tell you, with that I got a scratch card, and the scratch part was so badly done that it got totally ripped off. So I can't make any usage of this because the coupon code is totally off when I tried to take it off with a 1 rupee coin. So not happy with this. Along with these two, I got a free product as well, which is Rosehip Oil Vitamin Elixir Glow Iridescent Brightening Essence. This is a pouch that was delivered along with these lipsticks as well. So it's a win-win situation, got a lot of things. Now let's dive into these two lipsticks. So this is the one that I got as the free, and this is the one that I purchased. You won't know what is what, I will tell you. My Glam Lit Liquid Velvet Matte Lipstick is the one that I purchased and got discount on, and the free product was My Glam Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick. So let me show you the one that I purchased first because that is where my money has gone. So let me show you. This is how the color looks like. It's a beautiful shade. This is a velvet matte, so it should be comfortable on the lips as well. This retails for rupees 395 and this shade is called VM02 I Fly. This is what I have got discount on. Let me swatch it on my hands and then I'll swatch it on the lips as well. So this comes in a very similar wand like the Sugars Smudge Me Not wand. So wow, I Fly, the color is very pretty. This is how I Fly looks like on my hands, and this is how I Fly looks like on my lips. It is such a pretty shade that it will glam up every Indian skin tone. It's so pretty. The nude is so nice. It looks really stunning. With this makeup also, it is going very nicely. Yeah, so this is the first shade. So since this is a velvet matte liquid lipstick, it's very comfortable on the lips. I'm not sure whether it will transfer once it dries down or not. We will see. This one retails for rupees 395 and I have to pay rupees 199. So even 200 rupees. 395 is almost close to 400. So almost 50% discount on this one, which is the velvet matte liquid lipstick. Just look at this color, and it feels like nothing is on my lips. It's so comfortable. Okay, either it is still settling but or else it transfers a lot. Not sure which is what, but yeah. Okay, so moving on to the other one. This is the MyGlam Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Hookah. So this is how the packaging looks like. Sorry, I didn't show you the packaging for this one. I love the color coordinated effects. This is the velvet one, and this is the matte one. So this is iFly, and let's look at how Hookup looks like. This is very confusing. I mean, you see a packaging with a pink color and the liquid comes up with this color. It's so confusing. I thought this would be a pink base something, but clearly it is not. So this is again the same wand. Let me swatch it. It's a beautiful warm toned brown. This is how this looks like on my hand, and this is how Hookup looks on my lips. I mean, it's way outside my comfort zone. Okay, not sure actually how this is looking on my skin, on my lips actually, because I never wear this color, but then I only wanted to try out a new color which is outside my comfort zone, because I usually tend to play around mostly with pink nudes, brown nudes, but not this orangey tangerine kind of a brown that is coming up. I like the shade on my hand, but on my lips it is looking slightly different. And this is very, very drying. This is very close to the Sugars Smudge Me Not formula, the initial formula that it was. It has dried down. It is transfer proof. See, not an ounce of it. So if you think that you can wear this, you would need a heavy layer of lip balm underneath, and then you can definitely wear this. It's growing on me. I'm liking this shade, but let me know if this works on my skin. What do you think? What is this going on correctly? Do you think I'm pulling this off nicely? So yeah, let me know in the comment section. So yeah, this is what the shade looks like, which is called Hookah. It is going to be a very beautiful shade for fair to medium skin. On deeper skin, it may not look so nice. I'm not very sure, because I am still on the fence about this lip color on my lips. So saying that it will be a universally flattering color is not what I think it to be. But it feels very drying. But as I'm speaking, it's becoming much more comfortable to talk, because if you just sit with it, it becomes very drying, almost gnawing at your lips. But now it's getting very easy to talk and everything, which is not the case for Sugar Smudge Me Not. It feels like it's a paste or a what should I say, a mask on your lips that you can feel you're talking through it. That is not the case. This is drying, but it's not extremely drying. But yeah, the Velvet Matte Lipstick, which is this one, this is definitely a much better formula if you are looking for a comfortable yet matte kind of a look, because this doesn't feel anything on the lips, whereas this one definitely feels that, yeah, certainly something is on there, but it's not superbly a different thing. But yes, compared to this one, this is drying. That's the only difference. This one also retails for rupees 395, but this was a free product. So basically for these two lipsticks, I paid 199. It burns down to 100 rupees each for these two lipsticks for me. Extremely happy. I can't even tell you how much I'm happy, but yeah, I am. So if you think you want to take up this survey so that you can grab hold of a lipstick at a lesser price, and or else if you're just interested in a free lipstick, the survey probably is still going on. You can check MyGlam's website, but keep in mind, this is only there in MyGlam's website. This is not there in Nykaa, Purple, Amazon, any other platform that might be selling MyGlam. You have to go to MyGlam's website to get this offer. You can pick up the free shade. That's the best part about it. It's not that any shade is given to you. I picked this up and it's slowly growing on me. I'm kind of liking it. Never thought that I'll be wearing a color like this and enjoy it, but yeah, it's growing on me. I hope it's looking nice. You can tell me. So yeah, this was a short and sweet review. Hopefully this has been and also an update that you can try out this survey and get hold of a sale. And we are reaching year end, so I'm sure there will be some other offers or anything running around all the portals and MyGlam's website as well, so you can check that out. I will leave the links of these two lipsticks in the description box below, just in case if you want to check out. And you have enjoyed this video, this swatch and all, and if you want me to make swatch videos more, then let me know in the comment section and I'll try creating those for you for sure. And if you enjoyed this, what you have to do, you have to click the like button, share it with your friends, comment in the comment section about which shade do you think worked better on my lips, are both good on my lips, whatever you feel like share in the comment section. Feel free to do it. We can have a discussion there. And if you have seen this entire video and you're enjoying my content, might as well subscribe to my channel, and when you do so, ring the bell icon next to it so that you don't miss out on any updates as I share the videos, as and when I share the videos actually. So that's it for today. I'll see you next time with another new video. That might be a fragrance review or a haul or anything else. Who knows? You will see and you will find out. So yes, till then, stay happy, stay healthy.